Everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about home repair supplies. Now, I talked about tools a couple weeks ago. Well, I want to talk about supplies. First, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's the perfect time to do it. Click that little red button down below here, and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alrighty, home repair supplies. This is what you need to use to fix the stuff, not the tools to fix it, but the materials. So if you have a extra roll of a window screen, do you have screws, nails, nuts, bolts, caulking compound, all the stuff you might need to repair stuff that you generally do, have on hand. Okay, you need to make sure you have it on hand. Wood glues, wood putty. I could go on and on with all the stuff, but you need to do a little investigating around your place to figure out what it is that you need to have on hand to repair stuff. Crazy glue. Yeah, okay, might want to get some crazy glue. Epoxy compounds, where your two-part stuff, you mix the stuff together and you for fixing things. There are a lot of things to do that you can fix if you have the proper supplies. All right. So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And keep on prepping. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.